Luna, what are you doing? Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh no. Come on! Where'd she go? Where? Luna! Dang it, Luna.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
Today, my aunt and uncle are picking me up and we're going to Sauvie Island, which is like a little island in Oregon. We're gonna bring Luna, we're gonna have some fun. Okay, let's go. I'm vlogging again. Oh, you did? What'd they say? You're a good baby. No horses, no bikes, no alcohol, no camping. Wow, that's a whole list of no's, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all these.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
These might be the actual native blackberries.
Luna, you're gonna get bit.
We do have poisonous snakes in Oregon.
Is that a poisonous?
Venomous?
That's not
No.
poisonous, though, is it?
That's a garter snake.
That's a garter snake.
I just wanna. Ah, I touched it! Wow. You like it, Luna? Be free. Back to the car now and we're gonna drive to another beach. Whose cows are these? I kind of want to pet one of them. Luna, what are you doing? What is she doing? She's gonna get kicked.
Luna.
Come on! Oh no. Oh boy. Oh my god. Come on! Where'd she go? Where? Luna! Dang it, Luna. Get over here. Come here. You're in trouble. Hey, come here. Hi, cows. Get over here right now. Hey. Stop, I said. It'll be fine, I said. Get over here. Hey. You're in trouble. You're in big trouble.
People said, well, her shepherd is showing.
Yeah. Ew! Oh no.
Oh no.
So cute.
Just doing her job. You tired now? You tired? We need to work on your listening skills, Luna.
She had an adventure today.
We have made it home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for weekly adventures and leave a comment where we should go next. The surprise that Baker and I were teasing on the last vlog was actually this GoPro. You may or may not have noticed the underwater shots. Baker has it on a motorcycle helmet right now because he may or may not be getting a motorcycle next week. We will see. But anyway, I hope this vlog inspires you to go on your own adventures, and thank you so much for being part of mine. I'll see you next time.